Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jay. Luxe here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today I'm going to be doing a eye look using the James Charles Morphe palette and also the Zulu by Juvia's Place as well. So if you are interested in achieving this cute little look that I achieved today, then stay tuned. Alright, so I prime my eye using the Morphe eyelid primer. I'm actually going to apply a little bit more. Alright, so I'm going to use the Juvia's Place orange, this color here. The reason why I did not use it in the James Charles because it wasn't the deep orange that I was looking for. So I'm just going to use this and I'm just going to apply this all in my crease. Alright, so I'm going to use the same brush, the Morphe 330 brush, and now I'm going to go into the James Charles Morphe palette, and I'm going to use the color B, which is right here. And I'm going to use this to clean up that orange. So I'm just going to be switching back between the yellow and the orange just to ensure that the harsh lines are gone. Alright, so now I'm going to go into the shade Skip, which is right here, and I'm going to place this into my crease as well. And you just want to build that pink up to your liking, so however much you want to do it. Alright, so it looks like my orange has now disappeared, so I think I'm going to go back in into the Zulu palette, and I'm just going to place that orange back in there. And I'm just going back in with that pink, just to make sure we don't lose that pink as well. Now I'm going to take single and escape, which are these two purples right here, and now I'm going to mix those two together. I'm going to place those into my crease. So I'm just going to go in with my Tarte Tape concealer, and I'm going to attempt to cut my crease. I think I'm just going to cut this halfway. I don't think I really need to drag it out too far. I think it's doable. I think it's doable, guys. I think we can work with this. We can do something with this. I'm going to go in using the acapella, which is this shimmery blue right here. And I'm just going to pat this on my eyelid. And I'm using the Morphe 167 brush to pat this on to my eyelid. Also take those two purples again, and I'm going to place them in the outer corner of my eye. So I know this looks like, wow, you cut the crease like really good on this eye. It's because this eye is bigger than this eye. I don't know if you guys can tell that, but this eye is actually bigger than this eye. So it's like when I do like my eyeshadows, it's like it doesn't come out the same on both eyes. Don't ask me why. That's just what it is. Okay. All right. So now that we've packed that color onto our eyelids, now we're going to move on to a nice glitter, more glittery color that we're going to place on it. And I'm going to be using the NYX Glitter Gold, and I'm going to be using this blue color right here where my pinky is, and I'm going to place that on my eyelid. But first, I'm going to go in with the NYX Glitter Primer. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and go in with that glittery blue, and I'm going to pack that all over my eyelid. Alright, so now I'm about to go back into that James Charles palette, and I'm going to place those colors, those two blue purples again on the sides of my eyelids, because I just feel like I don't have enough of that like I do on the other side. So I'm going to make sure that is popped on. Alright, so now my face is already moisturized. I'm going to go in now with the Milk Grip Primer. You want to make sure that this dries before you actually like place your foundation on your face. I'm going to go in using my NARS Natural Radiant Foundation. This is in the color Tahoe. Alright, so now I'm going to take my Tarte Concealer Shape Tape Balm Concealer. I'm going to use that to highlight or to conceal underneath my eyes. So now I'm going to go in with some banana powder. This is by the Revolution line, Banana Deep. So what I like to do, I like to just press my powder into where I've applied my concealer. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the Sephora Micro Smooth, and this is in the color Tan. I'm going to just place this all over my face. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the Anastasia bronzer powder. And I'm just going to do a little bit of contouring, just a little bit. And when you contour, you want to go underneath the cheekbone. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetic number 18, my highlighter brush. Just going to dab a little bit highlighter up there. See that? Y'all see that glitter, girl? So I'm going to spray my face with the MAC Prep and Prime Fix stuff. Alright, so I'm going to place my lashes and all that stuff on, and I'll be right back. Okay? Alright, so now I'm going to go in using the Morphe liquid lipsticks. This is in the color True Story. Is this True Story? Yeah. True Story and also Taunt. These two colors, I'm going to mix these two colors together. You know me, you know what my next step is. Yes. My next step is I'm going to make sure it stays in place, I'm going to just place a little bit of that banana powder on my lips. Alright, and that completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, before I go, I just want to let you guys know, if you're just new tuning in, I do have a 500 subscriber giveaway going on right now until June 28th. Some of the products that I used here today, I'm not going to name anything, but they will be high-end products. Also, gift cards. Some of them that I used today, I will be putting in the giveaway for you guys to have. That's just me saying, hey, thank you for showing J Luxe love. So in order for you to be able to get into the giveaway, if you would like, you would just need to go and follow me on Instagram. Make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. Also, underneath my giveaway post, you'll need to tag a friend underneath my giveaway post. Now, I hope you enjoyed this look. I think it's super cute. Yeah, it's cute. Make sure you subscribe and thumbs it up. Subscribe and thumbs it up. Subscribe and thumbs it up.